To install tooling and change the grinder plates, you will need the custom wrench that came with the grinder, 3, 4, and 5 millimeter hex keys, depending on the model, a rubber mallet or small hammer, diamond tooling appropriate for the job, either slide mag, metal bond, or eye shine, resin bond, gloves, and any other appropriate PPE. The Predator grinder comes equipped with slide mag tooling plates already installed. These magnets hold the tooling in place. The optional security ring can be used to anchor the tooling more securely. The quick change clamp makes it easy to switch between slide mag plates and resin carrier plates. 3 screws securely fasten the plate to the head. Please note that these screws, as well as the security ring, are optional. They can be used when grinding under extremely harsh conditions, but should not be necessary under normal circumstances. To install slide mag tooling, use a 4 millimeter hex key to remove the security ring. Attach slide mag tooling to each plate, sliding them from the center outward. Use a hammer or a rubber mallet to ensure they are well seated. Reverse the steps to remove the tooling, using a mallet to dislodge them if necessary. To install resin bond tooling, you have 2 options. Option 1, use slide mag plates fitted with slide mag resin puck holders. Use the same steps to install the holders onto each plate. Attach a 3-inch resin puck to each piece using the built-in hook and loop backing. Your second option is to switch from slide mag plates to resin carrier plates. First, remove the screws anchoring the plate to the head. On the P800 models, they are here and take a 4 millimeter hex key. On the P650 models, the security ring must be removed to access the plate screws here. They take a 5 millimeter hex key. Use the wrench to rotate the triangular clamp until it releases the plate. Install the resin carrier plate, using the wrench to rotate the clamp back into position. Attach the resin tooling pieces to each plate using the built-in hook and loop backing. The resin carrier plates can also be used with standard dip pads. 9-inch pads fit on the 650. 11-inch pads fit on the 800. Separate the layers of the resin plate. If needed, use a tool to gently pry them apart. Be careful not to damage any surfaces. Use the 5 and 10 millimeter foam spacers to accommodate a wide range of products. We also offer conversion plates to use Bartel Global slide mag tooling on grinders from other manufacturers. For more information, consult the owner's manual or contact your dealer, rental partner, or Bartel Global sales team.